Let's be real, there's so much advice about social media. Some say just post consistently and you'll grow your page. Others say run ads or no one will find out about you. So which is it? If you're an author trying to promote your book or build a brand, you've probably wondered whether you need to be focusing on posting more organic content or running paid ads. Or maybe a mix of both. Let's clear it up. So what is organic media? Organic media is any post or a piece of content that you share without paying for it. So it could be an Instagram story, a LinkedIn article, a tweet, or even a YouTube video. It's the content that your followers see naturally based on the algorithm. Organic content is great to build your brand, but it takes time and it depends on the quality of your content, how often you post, how engaged your followers are, and the algorithm. Now what about paid media? Paid media is exactly what it sounds like. You're paying to reach an audience that doesn't already follow you. These are targeted ads that you run on Facebook and Instagram. So this could be a post that you boost or a full ad campaign with images, captions, and targeting settings. This works great if you have a specific goal with a deadline. Let's say you're launching a fiction novel and you want a bunch of pre-orders. Paid media then helps you reach the right people as you can target them based on their interests, age, and location. The downside is that it costs money, of course, but it works great if your content is attention-grabbing and the message is clear. So how do you use both organic media and paid media to promote your brand? Suppose you have a video that gets a lot of likes and shares. Then you can pay to boost it using paid media so it reaches people who are not in your follower base. Or let's say you're running an ad to promote the launch of your book. You can run the ad to bring in new readers and then use organic content by posting weekly updates or personal stories to turn those readers into loyal fans. And here's a quick tip. Always track what's working. Most platforms give you numbers like reach, which is how many people saw your post, engagement, which is likes, comments, and shares, and clicks, which is how many people followed your link. You don't need to be a data nerd, but keeping an eye out on what is getting attention will help you post more of whatever is working. So understanding both organic media and paid media can help you get the most out of your social media content. And if you're not sure how to set up a social media strategy, we're here to help. Just click the link in the description and our publishing consultants will reach out to you. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who will help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!